ma'am. Hello, classmates. Good morning and good evening. Good afternoon. So this is my class notified. This is my title on the class. So we are here in introduction. The, this class notifier is a digital communication platform developed to improve how information is shared within the classroom. In many educational settings, students often miss important announcements due to limited communication. Channels lose papers, notices, or last-minute schedule change. The last notifier addressed this problem by providing a fast, relatable, and centralized system where teachers can post updates and students can receive them instantly. This application is designed with simplicity and accessibility in mind. Teachers can easily create announcements as a homework reminders, project deadlines, exam schedules, or school activities. Students, on the another hand, receive real-time notification directly on their devices, allowing them to stay organized and well-informed at all times by reducing communication. The class notifier helps students manage their academic responsibilities more effectively. Features: the classroom notifier system provides several essential features designed to support and efficient communication between teachers and students. These features ensure that important information is delivered currently and quickly and conveniently. Main function: teacher function: create, edit, and delete announcement, send notification to selected classes, view all posted and announcement, manage class and list and students group. Student function: receive the view notification instantly, open announcement, details, click history, I check history of previous announcements, filter announcement based on the category of date. So sa planning naman tayo. The planning of the class notifier system begins with understanding the communication challenge that the student and teacher commonly face as a missed announcement, unclear reminders, and lack of the centralized information. First, to address these issues, the project aims to create a digital platform that delivers timely. So this is my 10th line. So ito po yung create table, so yung group 2, yung activity 2, yung install the installer of the SAM of my SQL in your laptop, make documentation video tutorial about this. So the the very first time installing SAM is to find the official download page. To this, you need to web browser, which is program used to access website on the internet. Common browsers include Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. Open your web browser by double-clicking it icon, go to the search bar at the top of the brochure window. After the searching, your brochure will show a list of results. The official website of some should appear at the top. It's important to make sure you select the official website to avoid downloading unsafe files. Official SAMP website. Particularly important for beginners who may struggle with manually figuring service or database by packaging of NT. For handling web requests, MariaDB for database management, and PHP and Perl for service-side scripting. Side explicitly process setting up of the complete development environment on any computer. Step 3. On the SAM installer and handle the very warning message. After downloading SAM, the next step is the installation process becomes and this is the step 4. Begin the SAM installation process. Start using SAM. So yun, narugyan tayo gamitin ni SAM 10. After installing SAMP, you can now begin using it to run your local web server. Open the SAMP control panel and you will see the main window. There are all the services and listed to start working. Click Start on Avicha and MySQL. So, nasa conclusion na tayo. Conclusion. Throughout this project is need variable knowledge to practical skills designing the managing database using SQL as well as integrating MySQL with PHP to develop function and dynamic class notifier system. I improve my ability to build web page that communicate efficiently with backend database and learning to troubleshoot common issues as connection errors. Incorrect SQL requires and refreshing updated data in real time. This reference stricken in by understanding of how information flows between the user interface application logic and the database depending by overall groups and full stack development. Despite these achievements, including several challenges along the way, computing the database. So, yan